Okay, now you're going to see how I do this. I'd like to be able to show you the underside. You need a straight edge, okay? You need a good straight edge. And these cardboard box tops, a flap on the cardboard works really well. Now, I also have a smaller shield as well. So, first thing I'm going to do is, okay, this passes here, so I'm going to tilt this at an angle and hold this at an angle, all right? And then I'll be able to get all the way into this corner. Now I could also, it's not a bad idea, you don't have to do this, but to go ahead and run a piece of tape under it, all right? This kind of gives you a little bit of wiggle room. Okay, as you see, I'm putting this in at an angle, and I'm getting this upper straight edge right up against the bottom of that shelf, all the way across. Now I'm tacking this end right here, all right? Now that's tacked. Now I can adjust this, okay? Now I get it right up against the bottom of that shelf, and I'm tight to the wall, tight to the bottom of that shelf. And you can get this adjusted so it's exactly where you want it. All right. Now, by doing this right here, this step prevents, just in case there's a gap at this edge, I don't get any on the wall. And this isn't critical, but just to make a point, all right? I'm just showing you this is the best way to go about doing that. Now I can just drop this down here onto the tape, and as long as I'm on the tape, I'm good. I'm not going to get anything on that wall, all right? And I don't have to put it into that corner like I was. It kind of restricts my ability to spray it where I want it. I'll just come down on this tape as long as I'm there. And I put on the poly. All right. Now that I've got it there, all right, I can bring this to this edge here, okay? Now I can get this edge and not get the wall. I'm going to catch the bottom here and on top. But you want more on the top side than you do the bottom side. Bam, that's done. Okay? Now, this is the tricky part. The fumes. I should be wearing a mask. All right, now, because this is so close and I don't have two hands, all right, I'm just going to go ahead and run this right across this edge here. All right. I can even wrap this around. No, I don't want to wrap that around. All right. Now, that's good. Now, in this situation, see, I've knocked this glass here. All right. I'm going to shield the glass at the bottom. All right, so the only thing I'm spraying is this area that I've painted. And here we go. I could use a piece of tape here just as well. And I probably should, but I'm just going to show you right here, all right? I got a piece of tape there. All right, we're just going to bring this over, bring this up. Going to have that shielded like this. And we're good. All right. Now I'm going to catch underneath, get the bottom edge underneath here. All right. we're good. We're golden. Now, I've got this thinner piece of paper, all right, which I'm going to tuck in right here at this point. And I'm going to get this edge. I'm going to curl it back. Bam. Bam, got it. Now, when this dries, I will probably go ahead and put a piece of tape across this, like I did here, so I can get down into that corner and get that corner shielded, get it sealed in there, okay? Because I went right down in this edge where it meets the glass in that corner where it comes down here at the 90 sealed. All right. Now, so now that I've showed you that, all right. Sorry for that shot there. Getting used to this videotaping. I'm going to come in here. All right, and I'm going to catch this underside. And then, all right, I'm going to take this. I'm going to bring this here. All right, and I can catch this. Oh, one other little thing I need to, I almost left out. Let's get this covered, okay? Okay, so we're going to have this shielded here. All right, now we are good there. All right, now we're going to continue to shield. Okay, I'm catching it right where I want it. Okay, got that there. Now pull this off, and nothing's here, okay? All right, now, I probably should add another little piece of tape over further, but at any rate, you get the idea. And, okay, I'm going to do one more coat up here at the top.
Did you finally go to sleep?
I guess so.
When did you come back in here?
Okay, so there you have that, okay? It doesn't have to be difficult. But like I'm saying, really the best way to do that is to run a tape across this edge, across the face of that, okay? So I'll show you what I mean about that. Get into that corner, okay? I come here, I bring this in at an angle so that I get this straight edge of the tape down here on the very end of that corner, in the corner. Then I bring it up, tape it. If it's right where you want it, hold your hand over on the other side, keep it, and then just come across, okay? Now bring this on around. Done. Okay. We've got this here. Now, as long as this is spraying down and in this corner, I don't have to have anything up here, see? All right. Keep it off the wall. And we're good. Now if you get any overspray, paint thinner, depending, or lacquer thinner. You just wipe it down, it takes it right off. No problems. All right, now for over here, all right, I'm going to bend this cardboard to go against the wall. Okay, so I've got it bent into an L. I've got that covered, and now I can spray this top right here, right where I want it. Okay, we are like golden over here. Golden. All right, well, you get the idea. And so thanks for watching. The next thing we're going to be doing is the glass with the DuraShield. I'll show you how it's put on. We're going to do a time lapse. It's rather lengthy. So I hope this was helpful, and look forward to hearing from you. Now, for what it's worth, no, this is worth. This is good information. If you're doing stain and you get stain on your paint, you can take, are you ready? Paint thinner, and you can wipe stain off of your paint. Do not use lacquer thinner. You can use paint thinner to remove stain from your painted surface. It's an oil base. Paint thinner is oil base, and that's why you're able to do that. Do not use lacquer thinner. It's corrosive, and that's why you can take the paint off your wall. A little bit of overspray I got, I'm going to wipe this area down with lacquer thinner in my final cleanup, and keep that in mind. Paint thinner. If you have stain on your paint, you can remove the stain from the paint with paint thinner because it's oil based. All right. Looking forward to hearing from you. Take care. God bless. Never give up, because there's always a way. We're just keeping it real. All right. Look forward to hearing from you. And, well, I'm not done. So we're going to do this glass with the DuraShield. Bye for now. Not bye for now. We'll see you on this return.